Trail tips.
Hey everybody. Alright. What we're going to be doing today is installing a set of these Arctec inner seat braces on the 2013 Rubicon JKU. I'm not going to go into details on everything because if you can't figure all of it out, then you probably shouldn't be doing them. But it starts with disconnect your battery because you're going to be welding. Strip the entire front suspension down, get everything that could light on fire out of the way. Notice we moved our brakes off to the side. Use bungee cord, keep them tight, that way you don't stretch out your brake lines. You have to disassemble all of your axle components, everything else, until they will fit on. Beautiful. Way to do some trimming here to make them work out right. A little bit off the inner sides of the corners, makes this fit perfect. Chopped off one of these ears, keep it out of the way of the sway bar mounts, and that's going to fit just like that. Alright, so the next thing I should probably tell you is I'm just going to go ahead and expect that I'm going to burn the ball joints out. The customer's already given me replacements, so I'm going to leave them in. It'll protect the inside surface, that way we don't get any weld slag where we don't want it, and at the same point having these in here to help keep the metal from deforming under the heat. So we're going to get the torch out, we're going to put a rosebud tip on it, we're going to take the cast here, or sorry, forged steel, up to about 400 degrees. Then we're just going to use a standard MIG with A6 wire in it. We're going to burn the thing in and call it good. Beauty. Alright, it went great. Temperature never got up above 375 degrees the whole time, except where the weld is, of course. Axle seals stayed great, so I don't need to swap those out. And perfect. Couldn't be happier. We're going to go ahead and replace ball joints now. They should pop out nice and easy because of the heat. And button everything back up. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.